Inviting friends on Temu is quite simple, but ensure you watch this entire video to not miss any steps. First, open the Temu app and log in. Click on the U button at the bottom, then go to Settings. If you don't have an account, click on Sign and Register and create one. After signing up, change your country and region to the United States. Once that's done, go back to the main menu and select Earn Credits and Free Gifts. You'll see various offers available for inviting friends and earning rewards. For instance, to get a free gift like a Redmi monitor, confirm the gift and your address. After confirming, a new page will pop up where you may need to flip a card. To invite friends, click on Invite Friends to get free gift. You'll see options to either copy a link or a code. Copy the link and share it via any social media platform like Instagram, Discord, or Snapchat. You can also send the invitation directly through these apps by selecting a contact. Once shared, the invitation link will be sent to your chosen contacts, enabling them to join Temu and you to earn rewards.